So in this video, you'll learn how to switch back to the default language on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you've accidentally changed the system language of your phone and you want to switch it back, then this is what you need to do. You need to start by navigating to the Settings app. So all you need to do is on the home screen or in the App Store is simply locate this gear icon and tap on it to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, you want to navigate to General Management. If you don't understand the language your device is currently in, the General Management option is normally located towards the bottom of the menu, and it has this icon here with these sliders that are normally for adjusting. So once you find this icon, then you know you found the General Management option, and all you need to do is just tap on it. From here, you want to select Language, which is located at the top of the menu, and then you should see your current device language. And then you should see your previous default system language. So you can just tap on it to set it as your default, like this. Then select Apply, which is this blue button here. And then that will be your new system language after a few seconds have loaded. However, if you don't see this system language option here, then just tap on this plus icon to select Add Language. And then you want to use the search function and you want to type in the language that you want to use. And then you want to select it from the list of options. Choose an available region that's for you want to use. And then you want to select this second option underneath here on this pop-up menu to set it as your default. Wait a few seconds and the language will now be your new default system language. So that's how you can switch back to the default system language on your Galaxy A56. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.